Hey guys, hope you are doing well and you have had an amazing weekend. So the Bitcoin is consolidating and just traded around 48,000. So the breakout was really successful and it confirmed. So now let's see if we can reach 50,000 or we'll consolidate further. My name is Mike Denklev from CorionX and I am bringing you the most important crypto news, technical analysis, altcoin, NFT, DeFi, AI, gems to keep you updated and educated. I should state that nothing in this video is a financial advice, so everything just for your education and entertainment purposes only. Always do your own research and make your decisions based on your research. So guys, smash those like, push the bell and notification, or subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Smashing those like is helping the YouTube algorithm. So let's check our favorite bubble chart. You see Bitcoin is at 48,000 US dollar, up 12.6% in a week. Ethereum is up 10% in a week and just traded around 2,500 US dollar. We see most of the altcoins are correcting, but few of them are pumping, like Link and Peth. They are both Oracle DeFi Oracle projects and they are pumping really well. And also we see Optimism and Bitcoin Cash and Mina Protocol pumping, and Tau Bittensor is just correcting, but it did a nice rally a few weeks back. So if we are looking, it's already up 27% in a week and 132 in a month. So guys, this is a good AI project. So guys, let's go and check out our favorite bubble chart, not the bubble chart, but our favorite index, the crypto fear and greed index. It is at 71. So we are in a greed zone and the overall investor sentiment looks pretty bullish. So let's go and check out our next news. Bitcoin price nears 50,000 US dollar milestone, again with 91% of addresses now in profit. So guys, that's good news. So number of Bitcoin addresses in profit has now crossed over 90%. So they are in profit. 91% of Bitcoin addresses now in profit as price nears 50,000 US dollars. So this is from the into the blocks, and we see at the same time 3.4 million addresses representing 6.6% are still posting losses, while 1.4 million addresses representing 2.8% of the total addresses are at the money or break even point. So guys, unfortunately I cannot make this bigger, but we see that most of the Bitcoins are in profit, and this is a really interesting part. So also you see some the current price, you see where these addresses are in profit and these addresses are in loss. Bitcoin set to keep shining with over 90% of Bitcoin addresses now in profit and the price nearing 50,000. It's clear this bull run still has room to run. The bullish action last week, BTC closing over 44,000 on the weekly time frame for the first time in the current market cycle. So guys, that looks pretty amazing. And also ETFs have net inflows in the recent days or days of the last week. So guys, let's go and check out our next news. Bitcoin ETFs hit 10 billion US dollar milestone just 1 month after approval. So spot Bitcoin ETFs reached a significant milestone of 10 billion in assets under management on February 9. So 10 million milestone in assets under management. Great. I thought the 9 would get a bit weaker as GBTC outflows subsided, but they are getting stronger. So Bitcoin ETF flow, a strong day at 541.5 million of net inflows. So guys, Grayscale sold almost everything that they wanted to sell, and now we have net inflows, and that's great to see that we have net inflows. Okay, so overall the assets under management just surpassed 10 billion US dollars, and this is huge. Okay, what else do we have here? Bitcoin's price relative to that of gold has increased 20-fold in the last 7 years. In January, could buy 20 troy oz of gold compared to 1 troy in April 2017. Okay, cool. So guys, this looks pretty amazing. So 10 billion. So meanwhile, Grayscale Bitcoin Trust GBTC outflow amounted of 6.3 billion over the past 30 days. The fund recorded 51.8 million in outflows, just 51.8 outflows. Okay, and Fidelity's, so BlackRock's iShares worth more than 4 billion and Fidelity's 3.4 million. So guys, this is huge. Let's go and check out our next news. Here is MicroStrategy's unrealized profit on its Bitcoin investment as BTC soared past 47,000. So the largest BTC corporate holder had an endure of painful Bitcoin winter in 2022 and 2023, but things have changed. MicroStrategy's BTC holdings in green. Okay. So, as such, MicroStrategy's Bitcoin stash continued to increase and just recently reached the astonishing number of 180,000 BTC. Given the company's dollar cost averaging DCA strategy, in purchasing this massive amount, its average entry price is at 31,400. This means MicroStrategy has spent just shy of 6 billion to accumulate in its entire Bitcoin portfolio. With BTC's price currently standing about 47,000, the company's stash is now worth 50% more, or just over 9 billion. Nevertheless, Saylor has reiterated multiple times in the past that the firm has no intentions to sell its Bitcoin holding, which means that these unrealized profits might continue to be just that, unrealized profits. So guys, these are the purchases. So you see they purchased also at the tops around 60. They purchased at 10,000 and 15,000, around 15,000 in the last bear market. So good to see MicroStrategy's movement. Okay, yes. Okay, so this is the purchase strategy. This means that despite retracing from the all-time high in 2021, MicroStrategy is up by more than 400% since implementing its Bitcoin purchase strategy. So this is the share price of MicroStrategy, and the share is up 4x since they started to purchase Bitcoin. So our next news, 6-figure BTC price in 2024. Bitcoin analyst says 55,000 US dollar now, worst case scenario. Okay, so the analyst is CryptoQuant. Bitcoin ETFs has a power to send BTC price to 112,000 US dollar according to CryptoQuant. Okay, Bitcoin market has seen 9.5 billion in spot ETF inflows per month, potentially boosting the realized cap by 114 billion yearly. Even with GBTC outflows, a 76 billion rise could elevate the realized cap from 455 billion to almost 500 billion. He commented, let's make this bigger. So historical Bitcoin holdings trend. So GBTC is losing its holding, but others gains momentum. Bitcoin realized cap. So yes, so that looks pretty bullish. So we have inflows. Summarizing the likely price action ahead, he gave a worst case scenario figure of 55 to 59,000, even 100,000 possible before halving. So guys, in 2 months, do you think it's possible Bitcoin to reach 100,000 within 2 months? Let me know in the comment section. Among them is Adam Back, CEO of Bitcoin technology firm Blockstream. In his own, he posted 1st October 2021, Bitcoin crossed 47,000 like yesterday. Then it's on its way to 69,000 all-time high. That run up took 41 days. There are 70 days to the halving. Just another data point for what it looks like and how we may yet get a new all-time high or even 100,000 before the halving. So guys, 100,000 before the halving, that's huge. Next piece of news is Bitcoin price forecast analyst predicts 100,000 peak before halving event. So guys, dual bull cycle, analyst forecast Bitcoin bull run pre-halving. So okay, so this is also Adam Back. So this article also quoting Adam Back that to attain a new all-time high price before the much anticipated halving. Okay. BTC price overview. Yeah, so guys, this is almost the same article. So now let's go to my Twitter feed. Definitely follow me on Twitter because we have a lot of different sharings here. The Bitcoin ETF is the memo. Most people don't understand how significant the ETFs are in terms of marketing and branding. They will bring a flood of capital, but equally.
You know what's interesting these days? Bitcoin.
Bitcoin.
Look for Bitwise, my friends.
So guys, this is an advertisement from Bitwise, and I like really this. Happy Chinese New Year 2024 is the year of the dragon. Let's see how it could affect Bitcoin. So this is from Samsung Mao, and combining the particular dragon with Bitcoin may usher in the Omega candle. In Chinese culture, the green dragon is primarily associated with wealth and financial legacy. This means that 2024 will be a banner year for Bitcoin, and BTC is savings technology that enables generational wealth. The synergy between Bitcoin and the dragon are significant. Additionally, 2024 marks the beginning of the Nine Fortunes, an era of upward developments which last 2024 to 2043 and corresponds to fire and the sun. When gold ETFs launched, it led to 8 years bull run. Real Bitcoin ETFs are a 20-year bull run. Okay. Cyberspace, which are dominated. Okay. And other important things that maybe you don't believe in the Chinese zodiac and or feng shui, but 1 billion people do. Reminder that Bitcoin ETFs are coming soon to Hong Kong. Best of luck to you and your family in this special year of the dragon. Guys, let's see. Ethereum restaking, a new narrative popping up from Arthur Hayes. Protocols are not mentioned. Pendle and EtherFi. Crypto latest $1 billion bet comes with layered risk. Restaking of Ether has become the latest big thing in DeFi. Some protocols are offering returns of around 30% to restake. So restaking Ether. Money printer goes burr. In China surging money supply outpaces US, the Chinese money supply. US bank shares look terrible like shitcoin. New York Community Bank 60% down in just 1 month. Valley National Bank 25% down. So guys, this is not good. And you know, 1 year ago that was this banking crisis in the US, and now this Fed program will come to an end, or maybe they will extend it. Total crypto market excluded Bitcoin looks incredible bullish. here. So the entire crypto market excluded Bitcoin. The monthly stochastic RSI is about 95. The monthly MACD just had a bullish cross. Structurally, we are aligned with the previous two lifts off. So lifts off, you see these lifts off. That was almost 52x, and the other was 13x. 13x. So Bitcoin is looking really strong here. The rotation to altcoins will happen soon. Yes, guys, you can share all this stuff because this is interesting. Kaspa and Ethereum. So just guys, take a look on this chart. So I really like Kaspa, but Kaspa in Ethereum pair just came to another end of the consolidation and other breakout attempt that we see here. So the 2D MACD just bottom and crossed, and the Fibonacci extension will cause a huge run up. So you can also hold Ethereum, but maybe if you are holding Kaspa, then it can yield more. The Bitcoin UTXO model is a great tool to predict the tops and bottoms. Just check this here. So when the UTXO is high and UTXO is displays the profit and loss ratio in each block, this model has accurately shown the bottom and the peak of the cycle over the last 10 years. So when it is so high, then Bitcoin is at top. When it is low and it's crossing, then Bitcoin is starting to go up. So laser pan, guys, we are building. Yes, altcoins bull market is hinting up. So guys, definitely check all this out, and also be sure that you buy some CorionX. Go to PancakeSwap. You can purchase CorionX on PancakeSwap and provide a liquidity in CorionX BNB pair on PancakeSwap, and lock up your LPs and earn a juicy 64% APR here. Don't use other funds because BUSD will be closed very soon. So guys, let's go and check out the Bitcoin chart. So on the forwardly chart we see some consolidation, but that was a nice run up to 48,500, and now we have a consolidation. I expect maybe that Bitcoin will top out at 50,000, and it's better to take some profits on our longs, but we'll see, and we will just watching what's happening here. So guys, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed, hope you learned something. See you in the next video. Bye bye.